Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you top AI powered Chrome extension you must try. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Chrome browser, select your profile, and in the search list type Google Chrome extension, Google Chrome Web Store. It is the home for all the extensions and themes. So number one in the list is Grammarly. So Grammarly, you probably know Grammarly, but this is their new AI version. It does not correct, it rewrites, expands, shortens, and changes tone. So you can, whether you are writing emails or blog posts, it makes you sound way smarter with just one click. So to add it to your Chrome, just click on Add to Chrome and click on Add extension. It will get added in your Chrome browser. And moving to our next is ChatGPT for Google. Every time you search on Google, this section gives you instant answers from ChatGPT right next to the search result. No need to switch tabs, no waiting. It's like having your own AI co-pilot for everything. So click into Add to Chrome and click on Add extension. It will get added. It's a really super cool AI tool. And third one is Monica. This one understand it's called Monica. Think of it as your personal assistant. You can highlight text on any page, ask Monica to summarize, explain, or even translate. Plus, it has voice capabilities and you can use it on PDFs and YouTube transcripts too. So, to add into Chrome, click on Add to Chrome and it will get added to your Chrome browser. So, next we move to our is Compose AI. Compose AI is perfectly if you do a lot of writing. It learns your writing style and helps you auto-complete sentences and generate full paragraphs based on context. Emails, LinkedIn messages, blog intros, done in seconds. To add into your Chrome, just click on Add to Chrome and it will get added in your Chrome browser. Moving to our next is Merlin. Last but not the least, this one brings ChatGPT to any website. You can use it to summarize tweets, write replies, generate code, or even draft comments. It's basically ChatGPT injected in your browser. So, guys, there you have it. The top AI powered Chrome extension. They are actively useful. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.